Do any of you worry about your mini split and the bugs while you're towing it, getting into the coils on it? Well, here's your solution, and it works great. So take your piece of Max metal. It's 2 pieces of aluminum with some rosin core on the inside of it. Make signs out of it. Put spacers on it, put it on the front of it. It's been like this for over a year now, and I have absolutely no problems out of it, cooling or heating. Moves plenty of CFM through it, but you don't have any bugs or anything gets into the coil on it. I took it apart today and painted it all black. Looks much better. You should consider doing so if you haven't. Make it match a little bit. Looks a whole lot better than that. Not even sure what color, cream maybe is what they call that. Anyway, you should really consider doing this. It beats the heck out of putting covers over it and them getting beat up by the wind and the weather and tearing them up. This works great. Been doing it for over a year, no problems.